So we're here talking to Sonam Kapoor, who is receiving a jury award for Neerja. Special mention.
Yes, thank you so much.
How did you prepare for it? What was the internal mapping that you did for a film like Neerja?
Honestly, because she passed at such a young age, whatever I knew of her from her family and her friends and what she stood for, kindness, compassion, her moral compass was something that I internalized, and I tried to do everything thinking what would a girl who was all about humanity and kindness, how would she react to a situation like that, and courage. Yeah.
So do you think that you tapped into your own qualities of the same sort as well?
I would not be immodest enough to say something like that, but I think it speaks about triumph of the human spirit and trying to understand how a human spirit can compete in that way.
For Neerja, as we see in your character, there was this big catharsis as well as overcoming of one's own fears. Did that help you with your fears as well?
It is not about overcoming fear, it's about facing it and understanding it and recognizing it and working through it. Yeah.
So did that help you personally as well?
Yes, because courage is not having fear, courage is having fear and working anyway, doing that was what Neerja was about. She was fearful, she was scared, she was a young girl, but she still did her duty and she still did what she thought was right.
So that's exactly what people who watched the film also learned from it. But it also happened to be an emotional catharsis for a lot of people who saw the film because they have connected with her at least through newspapers, if not personally.
Yes, of course, and especially in this day and age when it's all about survival of the fittest and competition, when there is a story about human kindness and doing whatever it takes to be the best version of themselves and doing their duty, not thinking about oneself. When a film like that and a story like that gets recognized, people feel that, people like to see that human beings can be kind and good,
Now, are you going to do more such films which delve with the human mind and with real emotions?
I think 6 years ago I did a film called Ranjana, which was directed by Anand Rai, and for a year and a half I'd taken some break and I decided to only do films that evolve me as an actor and as a human being, and that's what my journey has been and it will be forward as well.
Well, all the best and congratulations once again.
Thank you.